this is Christina here at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you the process of applying our patches from JDS. These are leatherettes to our hats. So I took out the cardboard here. I'm going to dress the hat on. I always make sure I have that sweatband out and kind of tucked there. And then we're going to do just a 5-second press just to heat up the hat a little bit. So we have this set to 280 on the top and nothing on the bottom. That's settings that JDS has told us on their website. So I've peeled off the backing here. We're gonna place it on the cap. It's pretty centered there with the seam. Thing I missed yesterday is I did not put on our foam pad. So this is what happens when you don't. You kind of get that smooth texture. It's kind of melted into the hat, and we don't want that. So very important step, add your foam pad. And we're going to press it here for 15 seconds. And that looks a little bit cleaner than that other one there. Thank you.